my biggest influences growing up was my dad as well as my grandmother. The reason why is they were two hell of a cooks. So I really love their passion, as well as they did everything with so much passion. That it was my dad and his barbecue, my grandma and her Mexican food. So it's good stuff.
Awesome. How about you, Carlo?
You know, I hate to piggyback on them, but it was my grandmother and my family. You know, all in all, my grandfather barbecuing on Sundays with my dad. My just sitting right next to an old Chambers gas stove. There was a little chair right next to a little stool. It was a yellow and white stool right next to that stove, and my grandmother making food for us. And when you went into my grandmother's kitchen, it was just a short, you know, she was a short order cook. Always had a pot of beans on. Every day she had a little pot of beans on, pinto beans. And I'd just sit there, and she, you know, being a big kid, you know, she'd always give me a little tablespoon of whatever she was cooking. So yeah, my grandmother most definitely was my inspiration.